Good day everyone, I am Shiela Mae of BSED English 3A and I am going to report about writing the data gathering procedure. First, what is data gathering procedure? So, data gathering procedure is a method and procedure where to collect information that is relevant and necessary in the achievement of a defined purpose. This technique can be applied in several areas including scientific research, marketing analysis, and strategic planning among others. Data gathering is the first and most important step in the research process regardless of the type of research being conducted. It entails collecting, measuring, and analyzing information about a specific subject and its use by businesses to make informed decisions. There are established processes for effective data gathering that use research evaluate a previously defined hypothesis. So there are two types of data. The first one is qualitative data and quantitative data. So, what is qualitative data? Qualitative data is type of data that can be measured or expressed as a number. It is less structured than quantitative data. Qualitative data is information acquired to understand more about a research subject, underlying motivations, answering how and why questions. It is information that descriptive in nature and can consist of words, pictures, symbols, which is why it isn't easily measurable. So, here are the examples of questions that will yield qualitative data are. It's like, how do you feel about using products? Or you indicated that you prepare product A. Why is your favorite laundry detergent? So, the second one is quantitative data. So, quantitative data is structured and can be analyzed statistically. Expressed in numbers, the data can be used to measure variables. The results are objective and conclusive. Questions used to collect quantitative data are usually how many, how much, or how often. So, here are the example of questions about or examples of quantitative research questions. How often do you purchase laundry detergent? Once, every 2 weeks, once a month, and other. So there are four types to collect high quality data. First one is define your aim of your research, choose your data and data collection method, plan your data collection procedure, and lastly, collect the data. So the first one is define the aim of your research. Before you start the process of data collection, you need to identify exactly what you want to achieve. You can start by writing a problem statement. What is the practical or scientific issue that you want to address and why does it matter? Quantitative data is expressed in numbers and graphs and is analyzed through statistical method. So, step 2, choose your data collection method. Based on the data you want to collect, decide which method is best suited for your research. Experimental research is primarily a quantitative method. Step 3, plan your data collection procedures. When you know which method you are using, you need to plan exactly how you will implement them. What procedure you will follow to make accurate observation or measurements of the variable you are interested in. And lastly, collect the data. Finally, you can implement your chosen method to measure or observe the variable you are interested in. Examples of collecting qualitative and quantitative data. To collect data about perceptions of managers, you administer a survey with closed and open-ended questions to a sample of 300 company employees across the different departments and locations. If you collect quantitative data, you can assess the reliability and validity to get an indication of your quality.